being as loud as you can. Can you answer for me? Are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Help me out, ladies and gentlemen, counting backwards from 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1, let's go! And here we go, the first heat of this demolition derby. And number 20, Justin Baroni, I think he's done in heat number 1. And here we go. Big hit onto the 57. What a hit by that number 13, Frank Daly of Harmony. The 519 come out to the 13. Oh, he goes up against the wall. And there's a big pile up right on the left back end of the Demolition Derby Arena. They're all piled up back there. Colby Bowman and the 519 looking for a big hit, getting into position. No one's there though. And 57 is out. And here comes the 13. Just gives a tap and gets put almost up against the wall by the 11. Jeff Gilbert from Skowhegan is in that 11 car. Here comes the 13. Oh, what a beating right there on the right side of the Demolition Derby. The 13 Daly in that 13 backing up. And the 519X. Oh, a little bit of grain action going on there. 11 to 13 to 519X. Looks like we could possibly sell 6 cars going. Oh, the 11 just missed him. And that number 6 is still going strong. That number 6 being driven by Chris Woodard of Brooklyn. What a hit right there in the wall by the 11. The 11 cleared some things out. Jeff Gilbert. He's been in this derby before, and he's got the money sign right there on his car. Number 11. The number 6 is a big push into the 9th, into the 17 up against the wall. What a hit. The 11 backing up. Needs to get a little bit of speed if he's going to go for that big hit. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how much you make the grandstand let these riders hear ya? The number 13 setting off the fires and being put right up against the wall. Daly in that 13 looking for something to hit. Going to get himself into position, and here is the 11. On the back right-hand side, it's just going to take a hit. Oh, the 17 is going to put the 11 right into the wall. Oh, there's a little pushing match going on between the 17 and the 11. And I think the 17 won. That little pushing match. Looks like we have a little smoke going on out there in the arena. The 6 kind of trolling along. It looks like he's playing it safe out there. A lot of these drivers right now look like they're trying to play it safe out there. Come on, we want to hear some hits out there. Folks, how much you make some noise for these drivers? Stop your feet out here in the grandstand. And another pushing match between the 6 and the 17. And here comes the into the wall. This was good, but they weren't hitting anybody anyway. So here we go. James Grant. In the number 17. Still going strong, the 550 and a quarter. And Davis and Skowhegan still moving around. And just a love tap right there in the center of the Demolition Derby arena. And the 550 and a half chasing down the 17 with just a little love tap. And the 17 now is able to drive sideways. And the two little, the 519, doing a little gang-up job. And the 55, Grant looking for a place to regroup and come back. They're going to tap him again. Here comes the 519 in. Colby Bowman. So he hit to the back end of the 17. Grant's going to push himself back. He's looking for some room. Here he comes around the corner. Oh, and a little tap right there, the 17 and the 519. Oh, what a hit right there on the 17. Another good hit by the 550 and a quarter. Ah,